What if Charles Goodyear never discovered vulcanization in 1839, leaving rubber forever sticky and useless? First, there would be no car tires, meaning automobiles could never exist. We would still depend entirely on horses and trains for transportation. But it gets worse. Modern medicine would be impossible. No surgical gloves, no blood bags, no IV tubes. All require vulcanized rubber. World War II could never have been fought without rubber for vehicle tires and aircraft components. Cities themselves couldn't function without rubber gaskets, sealing water pipes, and electrical insulation. No weatherproofing means buildings would constantly leak and decay. The entire Industrial Revolution would have stalled without this single discovery. One accidental moment of heating rubber with sulfur changed everything. Without it, we would still live in a world of horse-drawn carriages and wooden tools. The entire 20th century would never have happened. All from one man's kitchen experiment.